on the board dito sa ating best of 7. Aguilar from the right side, trying to go glass. Napakalakas, pero nando doon si Scotty who cleans it up in style.
Alam mo, Magu, para sa akin yung mga ganyan.
You trying to get it to Navarro. Nakilampas si Jack. Jack will clean it up from the left side.
Ako, believer ako, Magu, ng...
Straight all over him. Holt has to shoot it. 1 to go. And 1 pa para kay Stephen.
Downhill all the way to the cup, Stephen Holt. We were talking about
Si Jack at si Tolentino. Kadim backing up on Troy. Spinning baseline. Basket is good. May kasama pang foul.
Talagang naghanap siya ng puntos. Ina-exert niya talaga sarili niya. Nakita natin kanina, ganda ng offensive rebound ni Abutrata. He missed. Another miss, William Navarro.
And Brownlee has heated up in the second frame. 13 puntos na para kay JB.
Navarro, big basket para sa kanila. They have to get a stop right here.
JB with a 3. May bonus free throw pang parating. Abante rito ng Barangay Ginebra, San Miguel. Jamie thought about it. Dribbles closer. 3 in a row mula kay Jamie Alonso.
At lumabas na ang kanyang dila doon. And yeah, why not? He's feeling good about himself, Magu. My goodness. 3.
Off the crossover, iniiwan si Flores. Pinagsak pa kay Jabs. Gets the basket. Abting niya pang foul.
It's just how they do it eh. Kani-kanina lang, ganyan-ganyan nakita natin.
Yung 35 tambakan. Bata Barrientos says, sandali, bumebuelo sila. 3 mula sa kanto. Pasok.
Oo nga eh.
Jamie!
Hill, baby.
Yun ang masakit. That was 3/4 of the way in yung 3-pointer ni Taha. Iniluwa lang ng ring, tapos ganito. Si Taha nandiyan din as big bail out of a jumper plus a foul mula dito kay Maverick Ahanmisi.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, those are second chance points. Ibig na maputol na sana ng Northport.
Hinihiling ang Barangay Ginebra fans. Ayan na naman, oh, pang round robin ulit.
Sige, buhayin mo kami dito, Jamie Alonso.
Barrientos Brian. Selfish play to Alonso. What a setup para sa Ginebra. Kinising nyo ang Big Dome.
Kanina, desire. This is what we have. Kailangan natin magkaroon ng desire. Kailangan natin magkaroon ng pride. Diba? Kanina pa natin. Oo. Importante din yun. Yan ang pinaka-stress.
Raymond Aguilar punches it through.
Pinanil yung bench. Itong si Raymond Aguilar.
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos sunalo.